Most SUVs are considered old at 200,000 miles. So why are some Lexus SUVs quietly reaching 300,000, 400,000, and even 500,000 miles without falling apart? These are the 7 habits that explain exactly why 200,000 Lexus SUVs keep running, and you can copy them right now. Tip 7. Use genuine Lexus parts and fix problems before they become disasters. There's one reason some Lexus SUVs quietly sail past 300,000 miles, while others begin falling apart much sooner. And surprisingly, it isn't luck. A lot of it comes down to using the right parts and fixing small problems before they become expensive disasters. By 200,000 miles, the RX, GX, or LX has aged as a complete package. The engine, suspension, cooling system, and drivetrain have all worn together. That's why one should prefer genuine Lexus parts whenever possible. OEM components were designed specifically for these vehicles, with the exact materials and fit Lexus intended. And sometimes, the cheaper option ends up costing us far more. Low-quality aftermarket parts can fail early and create a domino effect, damaging surrounding components and turning a simple repair into a painful bill. But parts are only half the equation. The owners who reach 300,000 or even 400,000 miles all seem to share another habit. They never ignore warning signs. That check engine light gets scanned immediately. Strange vibrations get investigated. Odd noises don't get drowned out by the radio. Because at 200,000 miles, tiny issues can snowball quickly. A small coolant leak or worn suspension component can easily become something much bigger. When we stay proactive and use quality parts, a 200,000 Lexus can easily become a 300,000 Lexus. But even the best maintained SUV depends on 4 components that literally keep everything rolling. Tip 6. Tire pressure, rotation, and alignment matter more than we think. We might think the engine works the hardest, but another set of components carries the entire weight of our Lexus every single mile. The tires. And honestly, proper tire care is one of the biggest reasons so many Lexus SUVs still feel tight and refined after 200,000 miles. Those 4 contact patches affect everything from braking and ride comfort to fuel economy and handling. That's why we should check tire pressure monthly and keep it at the specifications listed on the driver's door jamb. Proper inflation improves gas mileage, extends tread life, and reduces the risk of blowouts. But air pressure alone isn't enough. There's another maintenance item that quietly adds thousands of miles to our tires: regular tire rotations. Rotating the tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles helps wear them evenly and keeps the SUV riding smoothly. But here's where things get interesting. Our tires often tell us something is wrong long before we notice it from behind the wheel. Uneven wear patterns can reveal alignment problems, worn bushings, aging strut mounts, or failing ball joints. That's why an annual alignment check is a smart investment, especially on high-mileage vehicles. Many Lexus owners say their SUVs still drive almost like new after 200,000 miles, and proper tire care plays a huge role in that. But there's another system that can destroy even a legendary Lexus engine in just a few minutes if we neglect it. Tip 5. Coolant flush and water pump inspection at 100,000-mile intervals. Here's something that catches a lot of Lexus owners off guard. Some engines don't wear out from old age at all. They die because they got too hot. And honestly, that's why we consider the cooling system one of the most important things to pay attention to once our Lexus SUV crosses the 200,000-mile mark. Coolant does much more than simply prevent overheating. It protects the engine block from corrosion, keeps temperatures stable, and even helps lubricate components like the water pump. But just like any fluid, coolant doesn't last forever. And when old coolant starts breaking down, the damage usually happens where we can't even see it. Over time, coolant loses its anti-corrosion properties, allowing rust and sludge to build up inside the engine, radiator, and cooling passages. Those deposits restrict coolant flow and create hot spots that can eventually warp. cylinder heads, or crack expensive engine components. That's why we like to think of coolant flushes as cheap insurance. Around every 100,000 miles, a fresh coolant service can help keep the engine healthy for the long haul. But while we're there, there's another component we absolutely shouldn't ignore. In fact, according to many Lexus experts, this is one of the 3 most important items to inspect at 200,000 miles: the water pump. The water pump is responsible for circulating coolant throughout the engine, and eventually its bearings wear out. When that happens, coolant flow stops, temperatures rise rapidly, and catastrophic engine damage can follow. That's why we should always look for coolant leaks around the pump housing, listen for whining or grinding noises, and inspect the drive belt since the pump is usually belt-driven. And if the water pump hasn't been replaced in a long time or shows any signs of wear, replacing it proactively is far better than waiting for failure. A healthy cooling system can easily help a 200,000-mile Lexus reach 300,000 miles and beyond. But surprisingly, there's another maintenance myth that has probably killed more perfectly good Lexus transmissions than almost anything else. Now, before we move on, if you have made it this far, make sure to hit the subscribe button to show your appreciation and never miss an update on exclusive car content on our channel. Tip 4. Transmission fluid service. Ignore lifetime fluid claims. One of the biggest maintenance myths in the automotive world sounds reassuring at first: the idea of lifetime transmission fluid. And honestly, if there's one claim we wouldn't blindly trust on a high-mileage Lexus SUV, it's that one. Transmission fluid lives a hard life. It deals with constant heat, friction, and contamination from tiny metal particles and clutch material. Over time, that fluid begins to lose its lubricating abilities, and that's when problems start creeping in. And here's the scary part. A neglected transmission often gives very little warning before repair bills start reaching thousands of dollars. That's why many Lexus owners who have successfully crossed 300,000 miles do something simple. They completely ignore the lifetime fluid marketing. Instead, we should be thinking about transmission service roughly every 60,000 miles. And if our 200,000-mile Lexus hasn't had fresh fluid within the last 60,000 miles, we'd want to address that sooner rather than later. We also want to stick with high-quality fluid that meets Lexus specifications, preferably OEM fluid. These transmissions, especially those found in SUVs like the GX470 and LX570, are incredibly durable, but they still depend on clean fluid to survive. And the fluid itself can tell us a lot about what's happening inside the transmission. Fresh transmission fluid should look bright red or pink. Old fluid becomes dark brown or black and often develops a burnt smell. During service, inspecting the transmission pan for metal particles can also reveal whether excessive internal wear is taking place. There have been countless Lexus owners who report that their SUVs still shift like new, well past 200,000 miles, simply because they refuse to believe the lifetime fluid claim. And while fluids play a huge role in longevity, there's another system that quietly gets dirtier with every mile and can slowly rob our Lexus of both performance and efficiency if we ignore it. Tip 3. Keep the EGR system clean before carbon starts fighting back. Sometimes, the reason a high-mileage Lexus starts losing its smoothness isn't that anything major has broken. It's because something slowly got clogged over the years. And one of the biggest culprits is the EGR system. Now, the exhaust gas recirculation system doesn't get nearly as much attention as the engine or transmission, but at 200,000 miles, it plays a huge role in keeping everything healthy. Its job is to send a portion of exhaust gases back into the combustion chamber, helping improve efficiency and lower emissions. But what happens when years of carbon buildup begin blocking those passages? Airflow becomes restricted, combustion becomes less efficient, and engine temperatures start creeping upward. Eventually, we may notice rough idling, sluggish acceleration, lower fuel economy, or even overheating issues. And if there's one thing we definitely don't want on a 200,000-mile Lexus, it's unnecessary heat. This is especially important for V6 powered models like the RX 350, where carbon buildup is fairly common over time. That's why many Lexus enthusiasts and technicians recommend cleaning the EGR system periodically, especially around major service intervals. A proper cleaning usually involves removing the valve, dissolving carbon deposits with cleaning solvent, and clearing out the passages. Since the valve itself is sensitive, we generally prefer letting an experienced Lexus technician handle the job. And if most of our driving consists of short trips or heavy city traffic, carbon buildup tends to happen even faster, which means cleaning intervals may need to be shortened. Keeping the EGR system healthy helps preserve fuel economy, smoothness, and engine longevity. But while carbon buildup can slowly hurt an engine, the next item on our list has the power to destroy one instantly. Tip 2. Timing belt replacement and frame rust inspection. There are very few parts on a Lexus that can end the life of the vehicle overnight. A neglected timing belt is one of them. If we're driving a Lexus SUV with a timing belt, particularly legendary models like the GX470 or LS430, this is one maintenance item we simply can't afford to ignore. These engines have earned their reputation for being nearly bulletproof, but only if we stay ahead of timing belt replacements. The recommended interval is around every 90,000 miles, meaning by the time our SUV reaches 200,000 miles, it should have already had this service performed twice. And if we're unsure whether it was ever done, we shouldn't gamble. Replacing it immediately is far cheaper than replacing an entire engine, because if the belt fails, the resulting damage can be catastrophic enough to send an otherwise healthy Lexus to the scrapyard. But surprisingly, there's another silent killer that many owners overlook completely. And unlike engine problems, this one attacks the SUV from underneath. Frame rust. If we've spent years driving through snowy climates or areas where roads are heavily salted, rust becomes a serious concern. That's why we should periodically crawl underneath the vehicle and inspect the frame rails, mounting points, and suspension attachment areas. Even legendary Lexus SUVs can't outlive severe structural corrosion. Owners of LS and LX models with air suspension should also pay close attention to aging suspension components, since wear becomes increasingly common with higher mileage. A rust-free chassis and a fresh timing belt give our 200,000-mile Lexus the foundation to reach 300,000 miles and beyond. But none of these maintenance items matter quite as much as the one sitting at the very top of our list. Tip 1. Shorter oil change intervals with full synthetic oil. If we had to choose one maintenance habit that separates 200,000-mile Lexus SUVs from 300,000-mile Lexus SUVs, this would probably be it. Frequent oil changes. Honestly, oil is the lifeblood of the engine, and once our Lexus reaches 200,000 miles, we can't treat it the same way we did when it was new. Sure, Lexus recommends oil change intervals ranging from 5,000 to 10,000 miles, depending on the model and driving conditions. But for a high-mileage SUV, many experienced owners prefer playing it safe, and so do we. Changing the oil every 5,000 miles with high-quality full synthetic oil provides better protection against heat, sludge, and wear. Synthetic oil maintains its viscosity longer and does a better job protecting aging internal components that have already accumulated hundreds of thousands of miles. But why do some high-mileage Lexus engines develop carbon buildup while others stay remarkably clean? Driving habits play a huge role. Short commutes and stop-and-go driving can encourage carbon deposits to form, which is why many owners choose shorter oil intervals and even install oil catch cans to help reduce buildup. And every oil service gives us the perfect opportunity to inspect the rest of the vehicle. We can replace the oil filter, rotate the tires, check for leaks underneath, listen for unusual sounds, and even pay attention to strange smells that might reveal a problem before it becomes expensive. And here's the amazing part. Most Lexus SUVs don't fail because they reach 200,000 miles. They fail because maintenance stops at 200,000 miles. That's why so many RXs, GXs, LXs, and LS models are still quietly cruising past 300,000 miles today. Because with the right care, these machines aren't nearing the end of their lives. They're just getting warmed up. So how many miles are on your Lexus? Tell us below. And if you'd rather buy oil than engines, hit subscribe. You officially qualify as a Lexus survivor. Give this video a like, then choose your next stop. Our video on 7 things you should never do to your Lexus, or whatever Lexus rabbit hole YouTube picked just for you. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.